Hello everybody, welcome to my today's module on functions. In my last module I have discussed what is a relation. Now functions are a special type of relations and every element of a function is in a function, every element of the domain is mapped to exactly one element of the codomain. That means if this is A is a set, this is a domain set of elements and this is a codomain, then every element X is one element, it is mapped to exactly one element of the codomain. X cannot have two outputs. Okay, so X is mapped to A, Y is mapped to B and Z is mapped to C. So that means it is a function, whereas in this case you see X is one input which is mapped to two outputs in the codomain. So therefore this is not a function. Okay, this is not a function, whereas this is a function. So this is a case, this is a special type of relation and this is a characteristic property of the function. Now, what is the difference between relation and functions? A relation between two two sets A and B can be any set of ordered pairs where the first element will come from the set A and the second element will come from the set B. Okay, that means it will be a Cartesian product of two sets A cross B, and it can be a set of ordered pairs. It can be any set of ordered pairs where only the criteria will be the first element will come from set A and the second element will come from set B. But in case of a function is a special type of relation. Okay, it's a special type of relation. Now what speciality is there? Here one input cannot have multiple outputs. That means the in the one element of the domain will be mapped to exactly one element in the codomain. It cannot be mapped to multiple elements in the codomain. So this is the basic difference between relation and functions. I will give you one write-up with this lecture where the relation and function will be given in detail, where the difference between relation and function will be explained in detail. It will be a write-up note attached with this lecture. I will now go to my next part of this module, which consists of the types of functions. Types of functions. First important function is that one is one-to-one function or injective function. Second one is a many-to-one function. That means one-to-one means one input will have exactly one output. Next is many-to-one. That means multiple inputs will have one output. not one input and multiple outputs. It is not possible in a function. Multiple inputs can have one output. This is the special type of function. Next is onto function. That is the surjective function. Surjective function, it is onto function. Next is one-to-one onto function. Or this is also known as bijective. This is also known as bijective function or one-to-one onto. That means both the properties has to be satisfied. One-to-one and onto. One-to-one property will be satisfied as well as onto property will be satisfied for the particular function, bijective function. Next is the constant function. And last is the identity function. I will explain in detail all the types of functions. In my next module, I will explain each type of function mathematically and conceptually also. Thank you.